Good morning, student. Let us complete the chapter number 10, reaching the age of adolescence. The last time ये टॉप मैंने वीडियो भेजा था आपको, उसमें I have covered the most of the chapter of this chapter, for most of the type of topic from this chapter. Now the remaining last topic is this reproductive health. In adolescence age, how the children can take care of reproductive health, that we have to understand now. So as you know, the reproductive health is very important for personal and mental health. So it can be maintained by personal and mental, and that can be maintained by taking balanced diet. If we have balanced diet in our body, if we take physical exercise properly, if we don't eat junk food or the harmful things, obviously we will get a गुड रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ. तो यहाँ पे कुछ पॉइंट्स गिवन है जिनसे आपको समझना है कि कैसे कैसे रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ मेंटेन करने लिए क्या करना चाहिए. फर्स्ट पॉइंट ये है कि द टीन एजर्स और द एडोलसेंट्स हैव शुड हैव बैलेंस डाइट. उनकी डाइट कैसी होनी चाहिए? बैलेंस डाइट. बैलेंस डाइट का मतलब होता है द डाइट विच कंटेन्स all type of nutrients in proper amount. For example, nutrients can be protein, carbohydrate, fats, mineral, vitamins. So that all nutrients should be in your food with a proper quantity. This is called balanced diet. तो ये सबसे फर्स्ट पॉइंट है रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ मेंटेन करने का. ऑल द एडोलसेंट्स, ऑल द टीनेजर्स शुड टेक बैलेंस्ड डाइट in their food. The junk food should be avoided. Chips, juices and canned food should be avoided. And lot of vegetable, green vegetable, fruit should be added in the balance in their food. जितने ज़्यादा when milk is also a complete food, so you can take milk also, and with that fruits, green vegetables, and these all the healthy food gives you a good reproductive health. इसमें यही एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. Chips and junk food, even packed food, is not good for the adolescents, because in this age actually the body is growing at the maximum rate. सबसे ज़्यादा ग्रोथ आपकी इस एज में होती है. तो you should have balanced diet and a good healthy food. Here some pictures are also given. So what are the food you should take in your book, from your book only. This page is taken. And next is personal hygiene. Next point is personal hygiene. You should take care of your personal hygiene. Personal hygiene का मतलब होता है अपनी बॉडी का को क्लीन रखना, और अपने आप विद दैट यू शुड वियर क्लीन क्लोथ, you should wash your hair daily, you should trim your nails. These are the part of personal hygiene. So you all should, because adolescents need more personal hygiene, because in this age sweat glands, oil glands release more oil and sweat. So you should be very very careful for your personal hygiene. Taking bath, brushing teeth, combing hair, these all the part of personal hygiene. Next is physical exercise. Physical exercise is also very important for good health. So for adolescents, adolescents always should do some part of physical exercise daily. कुछ आपको physical exercise daily करनी चाहिए, ठीक है? This is also a very 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 important thing for a healthy life, and also for the healthy reproductive health. नेक्स्ट इज से नो टू ड्रग्स. आप ड्रग्स को हमेशा नो करना है. ड्रग्स आप जानते हैं ड्रग्स क्या होता है? ड्रग्स आर द सब्सटेंस like which can be inject in our body, or which we can taken by the mouth, also oral, and they are very very harmful for our body. And once we get the drugs, we get addicted. हमारी bodies की addict हो जाती है, and that makes our body very unhealthy, है ना. Later after a few years you will see the result of this, and it will affect your health very badly. So we should say no to drugs, especially in this age adolescence, because nowadays you want to be the part of a friend circle, you want to be more with your friends only. So in this age you should be very careful, and you should not take drugs. Okay, say no to drugs. This is the last point. So all the topics are covered. We should be taking care during for maintain a good reproductive health in adolescence age. At last, some very few points for AIDS disease is also given. जो AIDS होती है, that can be caused by a virus. That virus is HIV virus, and it can be transferred from infected person to healthy person by infected series, or by transferring blood, or by sexual contact, or by sharing the things from each other. So the virus of AIDS, HIV virus, can be passed from one person to another. So during adolescence, we should be very careful. We should not use infected series, or and we should be very careful about these all things. So this is all about this chapter. इस चैप्टर में इसके बाद जो है कीवर्ड्स, चैप्टर के जो कीवर्ड्स है लास्ट में, मैं ऑलरेडी आपको आई हैव सेंट ऑन द गूगल क्लासरूम, and I think you all have done also. Then also I am showing you here, you can take a screenshot from this video also. जिन बच्चों नहीं किया वो यहाँ से भी screenshot कर सकते हैं. These all the keywords of this chapter. I have already sent these all keywords in the Google Classroom. Most of the students, बहुत सारे बच्चों ने मुझे वर्क भेज भी दिया है अब तक. But still, if your work is remaining, you can take a screenshot and complete your work of chapter 10. Okay, these all the keywords of these all are the screenshot of keywords of chapter 10. After keywords, I have also sent the question answer of this chapter, and even I have discussed question answer in our class during live class also. So now here also I am sharing you all the pictures of question answer. So you can also take a screenshot from the video and complete your work if still your work is incomplete. Question of 1 and 2 here you can see. Then question of 4 has, I think I have shared the screen of question 4 first. Then question number 3. After that question number 5. After question number 5, you can see now question number 6 on your screen. And this all is given. I think already this work is done by most of the students. Then question number 7, MCQ question. ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. MCQ question can no need to do in the notebook. And then next one is question number 8. In that short notes are there that you do in your notebook. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में 3 शॉर्ट नोट है. फर्स्ट पेज पे 2 आ गए और सेकंड पे नेक्स्ट पेज पे तीसरा कवर हो रहा है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन इसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर जो 9 है, दैट इज समथिंग लाइक पजल टाइप क्वेश्चन. तो दिस आल्सो यू हैव टू डू इन योर बुक ओनली. So we have done. So we have completed this chapter with question answer also. Bye bye. Have a